all come together what we can do. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome the team Deaf Talk, the co-founders Ali Shabbar, Wamik Hassan, and Abdul Qadir.
Assalamu alaikum and Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very special moment for myself and my team who is here with us because we dreamed together, we supported each other, even we fought with each other, but we pushed each other to the amazing journey of Deaf Talk. I would like to thank you, Madam Sheri Mazari, Honorable Federal Minister for Human Rights, to grace us with her presence in that particular movement, which is very special for us. I would like to thank you all the partners who supported us and trusted on us at the very beginning. And now we need your support in days, months, and years to come in order to feel the glory. I also would like to thank you, all the friends from NIC, Team Up, Jazz, who gathered here with us, or ecosystem partners who gathered here with us to celebrate the amazing achievement. One is the launch of our app, and second is the amazing partnership with Gore & Co, which will test us to bring or bridge the gap for the community which we are working for. Yes, it was a roller coaster ride for us. It's a hard journey, but together we made it, and we now believe that through that services we not only facilitate the deaf community in Pakistan, but globally as well, because it's a global issue. In that particular regard, we have started our operations in Singapore, and now would like to scale that services across Asia as well as European market. We are already in talks with the National University of Modern Languages to train our interpreters in different languages of Europe and Asia so that we can facilitate the deaf community over there. We are also working on the AI solution, which will help us to bridge that gap at their own go without having that lack of interpreters problem across the globe. I also would like to thank you, my deaf users who use that services, give feedback, interpreters especially who work 24 hours to facilitate the deaf community, our technical team, my all co-founders, mentors, and support from Jazz Accelerate, because we were here as a dream, but through the mentorship of Team Up and Jazz Accelerate program, now we have achieved that milestone. I always remind of the quote from Zohair Saab that if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, team up. So we are here to build that partnership, networks, so that we can facilitate that global challenge or the global problem for the deaf community. Moreover, we feel and we believe now that our future is bright. Our future is Deaf Talk. And our future is Bridged Again. Thank you.
हम एक आइडिया लेकर नेशनल इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर पे आए और हमें स्टार्ट में ऐसा लगा कि हम इस आइडिया को शायद पूरा न कर पाएँ और हमारी टीम में काफ़ी इसके ऊपर बैठक हुई और हमने काफ़ी इस पर बातचीत की कि हम इस आइडिया को कैसे आगे लेके चल सकें। जो मेंटोरिंग हमें नेशनल इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर से और जब हम जैज़ एक्सेलरेट का पार्ट बने, हमें अपने आइडिया को इनिशिएट करने में और उसके जो बैरियर्स थे उन्हें ओवरकम करने के लिए बहुत सपोर्ट मिली। अभी हम इस स्टेज पे पहुंच गए हैं कि हम अपनी ऐप को लॉन्च कर रहे हैं और सेकेंडली जितने भी हमारे इंटरप्रेटर्स हैं और अक्रॉस पाकिस्तान और जो हमारे यूज़र्स हैं उनकी सपोर्ट की वजह से आज हम इस काबिल हैं कि हम इस ऐप को लॉन्च कर सकें और डेफ कम्युनिटी को एम्पावर कर सकें जो उनको सोशल बैरियर फेस करना पड़ रहा है। थैंक यू।
Ali is my year because I cannot hear. The 3 of us started the journey from the bottom of our heart, knowing that we will come that far. From 3 we're now 9. And I'm very confident that with your support, we can be able to help millions of people like me out there. So my last request is, will you help us bridge the gap? Thank you.
They leave no reason not to love them. Such an amazing bunch, mashallah. Please stay on the stage as I would like to now call upon all the team here, our guests, to launch the app formally. So it is my pleasure to call upon the stage Amir Ijaz, Chief Digital Officer Jazz, Ali Nasir, the Chief Corporate and Enterprise Officer Jazz, Amir Ibrahim, the CEO Jazz, the partners at Team Up, Zuhair Khalid, Pervez Abbasi, Madam Minister, please grace us on the stage as we launch the app. And of course, the team from Gordon Co, please, Angela and Luke. Thank you. Can I have the button, please, for the launch? Is now available. It's launched officially. It's published on App Store and Play Store for all of you to download and spread the word around. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.